Making some jerky.
Making some jerky. Just took off a batch and now he's putting on another batch.
How many layers do you have to do? Probably 2.
I think there's 4 layers in this one. It's just a little cheapy from Walmart, but it works good.
Making jerky.
Next one, like that.
Make some more jerky.
So you better get that Milwaukee out of your video there, bud.
It's alright. They don't see that. They don't see that. They don't even show that in there.
Who's that? Alright. Homemade recipe, can't steal it.
Yup. There you go.
Can't steal it.
Jerky at its best.
It's, no preservatives, no additives.
No preservatives, no additives.
Gluten-free.
Better than your store-bought jerky.
Right. Gluten-free.
Gluten-free.
Daddy, can I have that pumpkin pie right now?
It's not vegan though. It's not vegan. Sorry to all you vegan lovers.
There's 4 pumpkin pies for us.
Where'd you get them at?
Huh?
Where'd you get them at?
Walmart, they're 84 cents.
This is almost the second layer of this.
Second layer, come on.
What is it, 5?
I think it's 4. Yeah, 4. 3 pounds turns into 1 pound.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
3 pounds of jerky,
Whole sliced meat.
whole sliced meat turns into 1 pound after it's dehydrated. You got 3 deer, $3 with the 3 kids and him,
Yeah.
and all by archery. That's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Some people can't do that with a bullet.
That's right.
Mm-mm-mm.
Next stack going on.
Nice.
Yeah, so you can have that.
Yes, we do. We bought it. There was a big sale.
Pumpkin pie stuff. What time are you trying to leave tomorrow?
150.
Okay.
150, she said.
It's crazy. It looks like you're going to have more than you need.
Alright. Yeah, it's hard. You gotta really tic-tac-toe it in there to get it.
Yeah, tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe, a little Tetris. Tetris, that's what I was trying to find.
Nice.
The Tetris is in there.
Hmm.
Try to make it fit. Here's some big pieces though. Try to put small pieces in little holes. But it all shrink up so it all, separates and allows that airflow around it. Yeah, you wouldn't think it'd fit, and then you get down to the last piece and you got
Absolutely.
some room. Got leave a little air in there.
You said approximately 3 hours-ish.
3 or 4 hours.
Smells good.
Those ones that you tried, that was
Teriyaki.
yeah, there's teriyaki in there.
I can taste that.
Teriyaki, little soy sauce. Gluten-free soy sauce. For mama. But yeah, I left it in there 7-8 hours, but then it gets like real brittle. Lizzie likes when it's a little chewy. But yeah, you leave it in there for a little longer and it'll turn like crunchy, you know, crunchy almost.